Hello, Brother Rice, and thank you for tuning in to our standard newscast.
There's certainly a lot to talk about, so let's get started.
On March 8th, 9th, and 10th, the Brother Rice Drama Club presented Fargo, a tense thriller sprinkled with dark humor. Based on the 1987 movie, Fargo is a moralistic tale about the downfall of the greedy and the dishonest.
Fellow broadcaster Will Ritchie put on an amazing performance as the play's protagonist, Jerry Lundegaard. Broadcaster team leader Nick Kimura was another standout actor playing the role of Wade Gustafson, Jerry Lundegaard's father-in-law. We caught up with Mother Macaulay Jr. Anita Raphael McElroy on opening night to talk about the production.
So for Fargo, we had to prepare for rehearsals. We also had to have rehearsals every week. We started 6 months ago, so October, and it just went on from there. I had 2 parts, well actually 3, but then they cut one, which I wasn't happy about, but it's okay. And I was an extra, I was a waitress, and I got shot in the head during the beginning of the first act. And I got to meet new people, and I liked that a lot because this was my first year actually doing it. And I've seen the plays, but I just wanted to be in it, so I decided to join. So it was crazy, but it was fun. So I liked it a lot. Well, I feel like it's gonna open my eyes up more to the other stuff that I didn't notice before. And I've watched it before, but I've only watched it once or twice. So now I know the whole story actually, and it gives me I don't know, I like the movie, and I like the play now because I didn't really know what it was about until I actually was in the play and we actually showed it to the public. So I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be easier to watch because sometimes movies they don't really tell you what's going on, and then when you're actually doing it you know what's going on. So I feel like I know what's going on.
On February 17th, the Brother Rice Mother Macaulay Band traveled to St. Rita High School for the State-of-the-Art Band Competition.
State of the Art is a Catholic school's music competition that features bands from all over the Midwest. Last year, our wind ensemble took home first class in AAA. Because of this, they were not able to compete. However, 2 of our other bands did.
In fact, our symphonic band took home 3rd place in Class AA. Congratulations on an outstanding performance.
In other news, Brother Rice recently created an investment club moderated by business and entrepreneurship teacher Mr. Peters. The purpose of this club is to teach students how to compete in simulated stock markets. A total of 62 students participated in the citywide competition last fall.
Each contestant began that competition with $100,000. The students then bought and sold stocks of real businesses at their real prices in the real world. Brother Rice dominated the competition, with Pat Kane winning 1st place overall by taking his original $100,000 and turning it into over $250,000. Now, as much as we love our sports here at Brother Rice, academics is always priority number 1.
With that in mind, we are proud to announce that junior Liam Coughlin achieved an amazing score of 36 on his ACT. Additionally, senior Ryan Kitty has been named a National Merit Scholarship semifinalist. Finally, 30 Brother Rice students from the 2018 graduating class have achieved Illinois State Scholar status. These accomplishments show just how determined our students are. Keep up the great work, Crusaders.
Now let's throw it over to our winter sports anchors, Packy Vovis and Mike Corcoran.
This winter was an exciting one for Brother Rice sports.
The Crusader basketball team had another stellar season, finishing with a 19-11 record and winning a 2nd consecutive regional championship. Marquise Kennedy was the leading scorer for the Crusaders, averaging 17.2 points a game and making both the All-Catholic League and All-Area teams. Josh Belanger set a new school record for blocks in a season with 67. Junior Tom Durkin advanced downstate as a 3-point shooter, and the coaching staff, thanks seniors Ryan Kellogg, Mike Furlong, Matt Fitzpatrick, Brendan Coughlin, Matt Plum, and Nick Bose for their 4-year contributions to the program.
On Saturday, January 6th, both the junior varsity and varsity bowling teams won Catholic League championships. For the varsity, it was their 2nd CCL championship in a row. Varsity continued their success by finishing 3rd at regionals. Although their season ended at sectionals, the varsity has young talent returning next season. Freshman Tony Lundy had a phenomenal season. He bowled 1 perfect game and narrowly missed another.
Our skating Crusaders fought some tough battles on the ice this year. Although the Crusaders kept most of their games close, more than half of their losses came by a single goal. Brother Rice's most notable win of the year came in Nashville, Tennessee, where they defeated eventual Kennedy Cup champions St. Viator 2-1 in a thrilling shootout. It will be hard to fill the skates of players such as captains Steven Sismarski, Alec Io, and starting goalie Josh Morrow. The rest of the team is looking to bounce back and make a run for the Kennedy Cup next year.
A big congratulations to the Brother Rice Swimming Crusaders, who sent 2 competitors to the IHSA state meet at Evanston High School in late February. Sophomore Seth Miller participated in the 100-yard butterfly and the diving portion of the tournament. Freshman Dylan Early competed in the 50 and 100-yard freestyle and became a 2-time champion, breaking several records in the process. Great job, man.
The wrestling program had an amazing year, with some of the most talented wrestlers in the state. It's no surprise how successful the team was. 4 wrestlers advanced downstate and returned with 1 state championship from senior Hassan Johnson, and 3 state finalists, junior Dominic Murphy and seniors Paul Guiva and Miles Ruffin. All our Crusaders competed very hard and upheld the Brother Rice wrestling reputation. You'll have to tune in next year to see if the team can repeat this year's outstanding accomplishments.
Now let's throw it back to David and Will.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching our latest standard newscast, and don't forget to subscribe to our Brother Rice YouTube channel.